So guys, as you see that I have a russet potato and we will be making today potato chaat. You have to slit the potatoes into two equal sizes. So as we are approaching, these potatoes have been slitted into equal sizes. We will fry those. We have to brown it in the fryer, these potatoes, up to golden brown. This is the right color for the potatoes. As you see that the potatoes are ready, you have to smash them. And then we will be spicing it with the paprika powder, salt to it, chili powder, a little bit of chaat masala and roasted cumin, and it will be laced with the tamarind chutney what I make it here. We will be adding some chopped cilantro to it and we will give a nice mix to it. Our potatoes are ready with the spices. Sweetened yogurt. We will lace it up with the caramel sauce, decorating it with the wave, lacing it with the cilantro. So as we have all the ingredients together, first we will be adding some caraway seeds, then the chili powder, some pickle masala, salt, then yellow mustard seeds and nijera seed, kalonji. On top of it, I am pouring mustard oil. And we have to add some vinegar to give the tangy taste. Now we start mixing it. As you see that I have mixed the pickle, we will be transferring it to the plastic jar. So it needs 2 or 3 days to get ready and taste.